Stitchfix day. If you want to see what I got in my box, then you need to keep watching. Hi guys, it's Leah. Welcome to my channel. Hope everybody's feeling very, very well. So today it's all about the Stitchfix. I haven't had a Stitchfix actually for a couple of months. I did end up cancelling the subscription because I was getting a little bit disheartened regarding kind of saying, look, I don't want any more jeans, but they're still sending me jeans. I didn't want it from that brand. They still sent me the same brand, and the jeans just did not look good on me from Stitchfix whatsoever. Stitchfix is a clothing subscription for those of you that do not know. It will cost you £10 per month. That is what they call a styling fee. You're allocated a stylist. You fill out a short profile. That stylist is meant to look at your profile, pick the clothes that she thinks represents your profile. And I can tell you it doesn't always work, unfortunately. Okay, so when you get your box, you'll get some paperwork inside it. And you'll also get 5 items of clothing. I believe there's a choice on there. You can say no to accessories. Accessories would or could include like handbags, shoes, jewellery, scarves, you know, that kind of stuff. I've opted out on that because I find that their accessories, particularly the jewellery, is very expensive. So I don't particularly want that. In your envelope, you will find an invoice. This is the price of everything that will cost individually. You also get a little card with pictures of your items, and you get a note from your stylist. I have the stylist called Fliz. Never had that stylist before. Also, if you choose to try Stitchfix, I will leave the link below. You will receive a £15 off your first box, and I will also receive £15 off my box. It's a win-win situation. Just before I get into the showing you the clothes with the try on, I am running a giveaway. I will leave that video link down below. If you choose to have a look at it, then please enter. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to my channel. This channel, we do all kinds of unboxings. We look at makeup, beauty, skincare, clothing, reviews, Amazon stuff, you name it, we kind of do on this channel. So the way I kind of do this, I've already tried the clothes on, and I've done a short video that you'll see here with the clothes on. I will show you the pieces up close. I will give you the branding, the cost, and the size that I have. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so just before we get into the clothing, I just want to explain the paperwork that you will receive inside your box. You get it in a little envelope. You'll receive a little card. This will show you pictures of the clothing you've received, and you also get a little note from your stylist. You'll also receive a invoice. This has all the information, each piece, sizing, branding, etc. It'll give you a total. If you decide to keep all 5 items, you will receive a 20% discount, which brings the price down quite significantly, maybe £40–50. And if you buy anything, you'll also get your £10 back. Okie dokie, so the first item that I tried for you, don't forget the video will be here, is a little t-shirt. It's a sort of a dark grey colour t-shirt, which colours I like. I'm all about dark colours, I'm afraid. And it has a pair of like lips on the front. And this is like, they look like little balls. It's hard to explain, but it's very pretty. The sleeves are cuffed a little. The neck is a round neck, but it's quite a big round neck. It's not big enough to come off on the shoulder. And the length is okay. The size is okay on this, and I actually really quite like it. It's definitely my style. Okay, so that is called, the brand is Mint Velvet. It's called Hot Fix Lips Tea. The colour is grey, the size is large, and the cost is £45, which feels a little bit expensive, but it is really good quality. I will say that in its defence. Okay, next I tried on is a sweatshirt. So this sweatshirt is nice. It's very thick, very warm material. It has a lightning bolt bolt on the front there, and I think that is leopard print, cheetah print maybe. Yeah, I think it's cheetah actually. The quality on this is amazing. It's very heavy, very weighty. It's got the cuff sleeves, cuffed on the bottom, and the round neck here. The size was good, not too big, not too small. I sometimes do like my sweatshirts a little bit oversized, but I'd say this was okay. It fitted as it should. My preference is a little bit more oversized. The brand on that sweatshirt is Sugar Hill Brighton. It's called the Alanis Wild Lightning Strike. The colour's black, the size 16, and that would be £48. Next, I tried a pair of jeans. I never have luck with jeans. I like these, I like the colour, I like the style. There's a good bit of stretch in them. The length on these were perfect. They just literally sat just above my ankle boot. So for me, that's kind of like a perfect length. I do struggle with length on jeans. I don't know why, because I'm quite tall actually. I'm 5 foot, well, 5'5" 3/4. So these jeans are by Untitled. I've never heard of that brand. They're called the Valerie High Rise with stitch detail. The colour is grey. The sizes are 36 and the cost on those were £42. I will say that I felt like the jeans were of good quality. They felt quite thick and they didn't particularly show up, I felt, all my lumps and bumps that some jeans can do, particularly from, I think it was Morvet that I struggle with jeans. So it's a nice change to have a different company perspective on what their jeans are like, and I really do quite like them. Okay, next I tried on a little black top. I wasn't sure this was my cup of tea when I pulled it out of the box, but it is quite cute actually. So it's like a t-shirt material, 3/4 length sleeving. It is like the ribbed effect. Don't know if you could pick that up because obviously it's black. It has lace detailing on the shoulder, and this does actually sit off the shoulder. It's actually quite nice. The quality again feels really nice and good. I felt this fitted me in all the right places. Even the bottom area looks nice. Yeah, I really quite like this. I'm just not sure whether it's me, if that makes sense. I like it on. Would I go out and buy this? Probably not, but I liked it on. So the brand of that is, let me have a look. Oh, that's the same as the jeans, and don't know, I'm just gonna let you guys see that. I bet you guys know who it is. I have no idea. So the top is called the Bridget Bardot Lace Neck Rip Top. The colour is black. The size is 16 and the price is £29. And my last item are a pair of blue jeans. Okay, I didn't particularly like these ones on. There's nothing special about them. There's plenty of stretch in them. The length was probably just right. They just literally sat on my foot, so not too long at all. I'd say they were skinny. The size was good. They fit in all the right places. Can't knock it. When I don't like this colour of jean, I feel it's really old and aging. I don't mind if there's a little bit of something going on with them, but these are just like a pair of jeans. Yeah, so the jeans are not my cup of tea, I'm afraid, but the fit was perfect. Okay, and those jeans are by Morvet. They're called the Dorothy Mid-Rise Skinny Jean. The colour is indigo. The size is 36 and the cost is £45. So the total box came to £209. If you buy all 5, as I discussed, you get 20% discount. That is of £41.80. That gives you a total of £167.20. Then take off your £10 styling fee, which leaves £157.20. Okay, so what did I think of this box? I actually thought it was pretty good. I think she did a really good job. She's not styled me before. I read her letter. She seemed to have really looked at my profile. I saw that there were hints of things about my profile that she was telling me about, such as she knows that I like rock chick kind of vibes. She also likes dark grey colours. So I felt that she did pay attention to my profile, which I appreciated. I think, I don't know what to keep out of the box. I'm kind of thinking, I'm not sure about this top. I really want to keep it, but I'm not sure whether I would actually wear it and where would I wear it. But I really do like it. I think it's super cute. It fits nice. I feel nice in it. I'm very tempted to keep the sweatshirt. I do like the sweatshirt. I did feel like it just fit. Maybe the next size up would have been my preference, but I'm happy to purchase that. I like the t-shirt. The only thing I didn't really like about this t-shirt, I don't like the sleeves. I like my sleeves kind of down here and they kind of stopped up here. I like the print, I like the pattern on it, I like the colour. I'm just not that keen on the sleeves. I think you can guess that I will be returning the blue jeans. I don't like blue jeans, unfortunately, but I did like these jeans. I will look at the video, look at the playback and see whether I did actually look good in these or if I'm just kidding myself. Looking down at myself, I felt okay in them. But sometimes you just need to see the video to clarify. So the two items I'm really tempted to keep are these jeans and this sweatshirt. So as always, please leave your comments down below. You tell me what you thought looked good on it. Have you tried Stitchfix yourself? Are you happy? Do you have a great stylist I should know about that I could maybe request? Don't forget, enter that giveaway. As I said, the link will be down below for that video. And if you haven't already subscribed and you would like to, then please subscribe. Until we speak again, please take care of yourselves and I'll speak to you in the next video. Take care. Bye for now. Mwah. Bye.